This tutorial is going to guide you through the steps of downloading an image from the web to your desktop and then using that image in a website called Pic Slice to generate puzzle pieces for a smart notebook interactive puzzle project. I've located an image I want to use for my puzzle on a website, and to get that image to my desktop, I'm going to right click on that image and select Save Picture As. Sometimes you might see it say Save Image As. And I'm going to make sure that the name is something I can remember. I've already named it Butterfly. And I'm going to choose my desktop so I can find it easily. And I'm going to select Save. Now, when you take an image from a website, this is from Google Images, you're going to want to cite that. So you will want to copy the URL and put that in a Word document so that you can put that on a citations page in your notebook. If you find an image from a Creative Commons or something that's not copyrighted, then you won't need to do that. But for the most part, you'll want to have a citation. And to cite an image, you would cite that by saying this image was retrieved from, and list the website, and then list the date that you retrieved that. Now I'm going to minimize this window, and now I'm ready to go to a website called Pic Slice, which I already have opened, but to get to this URL, you would go to picslice.com. That's without the www. And so I've already uploaded this image, but I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go through the process again so that you can see that. Okay, when you get to Pic Slice, you want to come down and browse for your picture. So I'm going to select Browse, and we saved that image on the desktop, so I'll make sure Desktop is selected, and then I'm looking for the image Butterfly. So here's Butterfly. So I click the image, and then I click Open. And so you can see that it's opened it right here, and now I want to upload that image to this website. So I select Upload, and now the image is on the site. So here's where we can do some fun things with it. We're not going to resize this image. If you did get an image that was really large, then you could come up here and select image size, and you can select to resize that, but we're not going to do that on this picture. But I am going to slice it up into little rectangles. So I'm going to go slice the picture, and now you want to tell it how many vertical slices and how many horizontal slices. This will be for an elementary lesson, so I don't want too many slices, so I'm going to make it a 3 by 3, which will give me 9 total pieces. And then you simply click Generate, and now it's got your picture in 9 different slices. Now if you wanted to change that, you could change this, but then you would need to generate that again. Now there's several ways of getting this onto your computer. Probably the easiest way would be to select this Download Zip All Slices. So I'm clicking Download Zip, and then we have a window that opens up. Download Zip again, and it's going to ask you where you want to save these pictures. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to do that again to my desktop, and I'm going to name this folder Puzzle Pieces, and I'm going to save it. And then I'll just close this page, minimize this window, and now I look on my desktop and I have an extracted folder, and this is like a zip folder. So to unzip that folder, I'm going to open it, and inside that folder there's another folder called Example, and I'm going to select this folder, and then I'm going to go over here and select Extract All Files. You can also right click on that. Well, usually you can, but I guess you can't. Extract All Files. You get a window that comes up. Click Next. Click Next. And then usually this is checked. If not, you can check it. It says Show Extracted Files. Finish. And now your folder, when you open it, you can see the extracted files. So now you have your zip file, but you also have the folder that's been extracted. So your zip file you can drag to your recycle bin so you don't get confused. And inside here are going to be your images that you extracted. And that's how you take an image and create a puzzle out of it. So the next step would be to get those pieces into your smart notebook and create your puzzle.